I'm gonna show you how to book hotels on Priceline.com. So to get started, you have to open any browser that you like, and then from there you have to type Priceline.com. And once on the home page, you have to select where to go, and then you have to select the location where you want to go. So for me, I'm just gonna put in Los Angeles, California, and then you have to select on the dates that you want, and then from there you just have to click on and find your hotel, and then you will be redirected to the next page. And then from here you will have to choose the hotel that you want, or you can just sort it by clicking on the left side by here, recommended. You can go from lowest price, guest rating plus number reviews, the neighborhoods, and the amenities. And then for me, I'm just gonna choose modern homestay 2, and then it will redirect you to another page. So from there you will just have to scroll down and then choose a room that you want to book. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then after that you just have to wait for the confirmation details, and then you just have to scroll down, and from there you just have to fill up all the necessary details from guest name, payment, and then information, location, and billing. And when you're done with the fill up, all you have just to do is click book and pay. And there you have it. That's how you book hotels on Priceline.com.